Hi, I'm Rich Goem, Product Marketing Manager for the HP PROLIANT DL380. HP has announced its latest generation of the DL380, Generation 7, which continues the focus on ROI that was so important in our design for G6. The DL380 G7 now has the latest Intel 6-core 5600 series processors. This new processor offering from Intel offers increased performance of up to 60% for those customers really focused on technical compute capabilities. The cache in the 5600 series now has 12 megabyte of L3 versus the 8 megabyte which is available on the 5500 series. With power efficiency being on the top of most customers' requirements, HP continues to deliver improvements in energy efficiency with the new options which will be available on G7. The Generation 7 DL380 will now support the new low-voltage memory DIMMs, which will be offered in both a 2 gig and a 4 gig capacity. We recently announced our first 94% efficient power supply, which provides up to 1200 watts for those heavily configured DL380 users who still demand energy efficiency. The DL380 G7 will ship standard with the new generation of integrated lights out, ILO 3. ILO 3 has added new deployment features as well as debugging features. All of these improvements result in an easier server management and deployment, which ultimately means increased return on your investment dollar. The DL380 G7 continues with its story of adaptability. The riser card options offers unmatched flexibility in the market. With 2 connectors on the board, there are 4 choices for the riser cards that would fit within those connectors. The standard riser that fits within the first connector comes with 3 slots, 1x8 and 2x4 PCIe Generation 2. You have the option to purchase a second identical riser board, which would give you up to 6 slots. If you still require legacy PCIe generation support, the DL380 G7 has an optional PCIe riser card, which comes with 1 slot 64-bit, 1x8 slot PCIe Generation 2, and 1x4 slot PCIe Generation 2. For high-end graphics cards, we offer an additional option. This riser card has 1 PCIe by 16 slot and supports up to 150 watts. The 4th optional PCI riser on the DL380 G7 offers 2x8 PCIe Gen 2 connectors. This card is perfect for 10 gig dual port NIC support. Continuing with the story of adaptability, the PROLIANT DL380 G7 comes standard with 8 small form factor hard drive bays and 1 optical media bay. You have the choice of purchasing an optional 8 small form factor hard drive cage, giving you a total of 16 small form factor bays. Or you have the option of 6 large form factor hard drive bays. HP also now offers the new SSD drives, which deliver on the power efficiency and increased performance. These drives deliver higher performance, lower latency, and lower power when compared with traditional rotating media and fit seamlessly into the existing HP server infrastructure. The final option for storage is the DL380 G7 supports removable disk backup. This option comes standard in 160 gig to 500 gig support. The DL380 G7 also offers some other unique features, such as HP's thermal logic technologies. It also offers CF sensors, which intelligently manages the server conserving power and cooling, and dynamic power capping, which locks in the power settings to improve power usage throughout your data center. The PROLIANT DL380 G7 has 18 DIMM slots, supporting up to 192 gig of memory. We also support either registered, unbuffered, and now the low voltage memory DIMMs. HP continues its common slot power supply strategy. Within the G7, there are 4 options. There's the 48 volt, there's the 460 watt, the 750 watt, or the 1200 watt, which now has the 94% efficiency. Within this new DL380 G7, there's a new Smart Array controller which comes standard. Optional, you can support battery back write cache with 256 megabyte, 512 megabyte, and we do now offer our flashback write cache technology, which does not require a battery and offers unlimited data recovery. The DL380 server is more than just the most popular selling server in the industry. It is the server that continues to set the bar for energy efficiency and configuration flexibility, which is why the DL380 market is so broad, from SMB to homogeneous data center. The DL380 has a solution for your needs. Thanks for your time, and please visit our website for more information.